Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by selecting an account that matches your goal and timeline. Choose an account type: individual brokerage, Roth IRA, or traditional IRA. Next, complete the online application with legal name, date of birth, and contact details, then provide social security number, a valid ID, and an email to verify identity. Opt into electronic statements to speed setup and review terms for margin or options if desired. Expect account approval within 1 to 2 business days after verification. Then set up two-factor authentication for security and proceed to funding. After account approval, fund your account using the Transfers menu and link your checking or savings account. Link a bank and initiate ACH transfers or transfer assets via a CAT. If eligible and verified, you can deposit immediately with an instant transfer up to $000 for verified accounts or schedule recurring contributions for dollar cost averaging. For securities transfers, use a CAT to move positions from another broker. And note fidelity charges /bin/SH commissions for online U.S. stock and ETF trades. Check fees for use the trade tab to enter a ticker. Choose order type, size, and route, then review and submit. Place market, limit, stop loss, or fractional dollar trades in the order ticket and confirm estimated fees and settlement dates. Monitor your portfolio in the positions view, set price and news alerts, and review performance reports. Review positions daily and set alerts for price, news, and 25% gains or losses to manage risk. At year-end, download statements and note fidelity issues Form 1099B and 1099 INT by February for tax reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.